welcome to Craft to Papa. Today we'll be copying a Mario in resin. Here we go! Now I've already started on the box because I forgot to hit record on the camera. And we got this far. Check out one of my other videos if you want to see how to make a box. Let's finish it up. This video is not for kids. Do not try this at home. Unless you have your parents' permission. Okay, well, he's in there pretty good. ComposiMold. There we go, and it's almost to the hat there. Now, if we don't spring any leaks, this should do it. Ooh. All right, freezer time. And we'll be right back after this. Oh no! Okay, so here we got a problem. Mario's feet popped off. Which was because we didn't glue them down first. So you miss a step and this is what you get. I have encountered this before. Okay, so I'm going to hold this in place until the ComposiMold firms up a little bit, and then it'll hold it in place just fine. But it's going to take a minute. So after this, we'll go to the freezer. Now here is the Mario one. He kept bobbing to the surface. He's hollow. Well, let's find out. I was going to say, I'm not sure what we're going to end up with. And, oh no. So there's his foot, but it's at an angle. Hey, look at that. Alright. We will make it. Oh, that's just prime. We'll come up this way, through the hat, through the popsicle stick. Right, and here we go. Holding something that's squishy is coming out pretty good. Don't got much more to do. Get out of there. Get out of there. Alright. So it looks like it's going to be a little more than 1 cup. Okay, that looks really good. Let's get some teal. Let's get some teal up in there. Oh no. Wait a minute. Hello, welcome back. So we made a good discovery today. This is the mold stuff. And I forgot and left it out in the sun. And look at that. Looks like you don't really need a microwave. It is 96 degrees and it was sitting, or it's 96 degrees in the shade. This was sitting in the sun. And it's almost good enough we could do a pour with it. With no microwave. Very cool. I didn't know that would happen. So, here is the Mario mold. And after I turned the camera off, it started hemorrhaging bad. Real bad. I'm super happy that I put it in here just to give it an angle. But, which was great because it dumped out everywhere. So I used the resin in the Terminator mold, and what we're going to do now is seal it up again and give it another pour. And maybe we'll go green this time. So if you see the Terminator video, that's actually full of Mario resin. Green is a really pretty green anyway. We're gonna have a little bit of blue in there, like around the edges. And we'll top her off with some green. How about that? Let's get started. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And one for good measure. Oh, it's the stuff at the top. This fell off in the... Okay. And now we know. And knowing is half the battle. So here we go. The final pour from Mario. The final Mario pouring. We'll go put this in the Death Star. And we'll probably have to finish this up tomorrow. Hello and welcome back. We are now 1 day after pour. think this time we got her. We did have some deformation at the bottom, so it'll be interesting to see what we got. When you're slicing, you just want to make sure you don't nick the thing that you just spent 2 days making. Taping the mold. Brittle than the original thing. Oh man. Don't do that. Oh, hey, I forgot to show you. Listen. When you got that sound, your resin's done. Or if you try to put a fingerprint in it, or a fingernail, and you can't, then it's done. Oh, the hand. Oh yeah, I forgot he had hands. This is Mario if he had a phased cloak and it dematerialized halfway inside of an asteroid. It's from Mario Galaxies. Alright, well, let's see. Like Mario had a problem in the bathroom there. Oh, hey, check this out. When you get down to this part, you're pulling off just little random bits here and there. This is the best tool I found out. Just make yourself a wooden knife. So it's kind of sharp, but won't, well, it might scratch your model. Quick and easy to make, better than a razor blade. Ah! I broke my favorite tool. Ooh, see, maybe we made the ghost of Mario because he's in Luigi's mansion, you see, and Luigi was trying to clear a mansion because he hadn't seen Mario in a while. So I went to Mario's mansion that the princess gave him. And he's like, "Hey Mario, where are you?" And he goes, "Ooh, I'm a ghost, Luigi." And then Luigi is forced to capture it. And then it's Luigi's mansion. Hang on, we're going to throw him in the microwave real quick. Like that. Punch this right through. And a little bit of soap and water, you can get the rest of this stuff off. Well, you know, I'm going to call this good. The mold obviously failed. Well, yeah. Now, you got no problem. You can throw all that back into the thing, recast it, make sure the feet are more secure, and try it again. But we did end up with kind of a neat ghost sort of thing, and we can clear that up. Also, it's not crystal clear because of the material. If this isn't clear, this won't be clear. We can make it clear with some clear coat, spray paint, and it'll clear it right up. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you liked it, please give us a like. It helps the video spread a little bit, and have a great day. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.